Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Oh shit. I just stepped in a massive water puddle. I left my sprinkler on for too long and my grass is dead and it flooded the yard. So yeah, great start. Anyway, welcome back guys. Today is a pretty exciting day. I'm taking the 86 out to the track drifting, which I have never done with this car, and it's been years since I've been out and actually driven a car out on a track. So I'm super pumped. There's a couple of things I need to do first to get ready. And that is I need to change some wheels over on the 86 because the ones on the front are sort of bored on the inside. So I'm gonna swap them to the back and sort of just finish them off. And I'm gonna pick up some wheels on the way down to the track to use as spares. So I'm super pumped. I'm just gonna change these wheels over now, and then we're gonna be on our way in the next sort of 40 minutes to an hour. I can't wait. So, should be sweet. I'm just trying to think of anything else I need. Oh, I need a helmet. I'm so excited. I'm actually kind of nervous. It's been like, whoa, since I had my S15 that I've actually driven on the track. And that was, it's at least 4 years ago now, I think. So, it's been a while. I don't know where my helmet is. So I'm pretty much ready to go. Just getting the final thing set up. Got GoPro and camera, and I've filled it with tools. Shout out to Rosie for the skull protector. Thank you, mate. So most people probably would put their car on the back of a trailer to get down to the track, but something that I'm really wanting to test is the actual reliability of the 86. Because obviously, as you guys know, it's registered, and I drive it not every day, but yeah, close enough to every day. So it's going to be a good test for it. If I can drive it to the track, crash it, drive it home, no dramas, I'll be a very happy man. I've just done an oil change on it, and besides that, not a whole lot. I'm just going to pick up some more tyres, just in case, and get some fuel. And then we should be good to pretty much hit it straight away. Alright guys, so we just got to QR. Everyone's still sort of setting up. This is Brad's first time out on track. Lani's behind us. I really need to pee, and then we'll go and set the car up in the pits and we'll change his tyres around. Keen. Excited?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm nervous.
I know, I can tell.
It's been like years, and I've been keen for years to get back here.
Yeah.
I trust the 86 though.
That's good.
Yeah. So I'm not freaking out.
Yeah.
It was for another briefing, so anybody wanting to get in on the next briefing, make your way up guys. We'll kick it off in a couple of minutes.
Butterflies right now.
You'll be sweet.
Hey?
You'll be sweet.
Yeah. This is really hard. This is so different. I can't believe it. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I've drifted air chassis and never driven one of these before. It's like, it's so much shorter and like, oh, I don't even know how to describe it. In like all my other cars, I guess maybe, well, they haven't all been turbo, but you know, I can sort of just like throw it into a corner and off we go. Whereas right now with this, it's like, I haven't got my gears right. And then like, I guess entering the corner is kind of a bit different as well. I'm going to try and enter the corner later and just practice leaving the corner first at with a bit of speed, because I feel like as soon as I enter, I'm just spinning. I can't get it right. So obviously I need to practice just feeling the car sideways first before I do anything else. But holy shit, this is so fun. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, fucking hell.
Need lots of practice. Jesus, that guy's pretty good. So I'm feeling a little bit less, a little bit more confident now. I think the trick is to go faster. Second gear is like no good at all. Third gear is so far has been like the best. And I just need to throw it into the corner like a lot harder, and it seems to keep the power up. But this run will really tell. I'll really try hard. Now that I've said that, I'm gonna fuck it up for sure. Oh shit, that's right, it's still great. You nervous? I'm not nervous, man. Is this the first time we've done this together?
No, I went in the S15.
S15?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like one of my first times in this car.
Have you done your helmet off?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not very tight.
give me that. Pull it tight.
Huh?
Safety first, amigo. Nice tight. Second go at the big track. I really have to work on my entries because I don't think I have enough speed coming out of here. But if I can do it, it'll be sick. With the big flick on the first one.
Yeah, it kind of threw me off guard.
Like it was so big? Yeah, I know. Oh, so we just had a feed and I spoke to my mate Trav and sort of told him about it. He's got an AE86 as well and he can drive it, that's for certain. He's given me some tips on tyre pressure, so I'm going to pump these up a little bit more and run, he reckons start at 60 PSI and just see if it makes the rear end a little happy to go. And then I'm going to get back out there. This is so much fun. So much to learn. Right. Let's go, Brado! This is so much better. Thank you, Trav. I owe you, mate. This is like
up your tires.
a million times better. Like it actually slides effortlessly. Come on, Brad. What are you doing? I am the drift king. Okay.
Go, daddy. Go, 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 daddy.
Let's do it. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh, that was so much better than the earlier runs. Holy fuck. This is like the best. This is so much better than like S chassis or anything. It's so much more fun. I don't know. I don't even care what it's better than or what it's worse than. It's just sick. It's so much. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Dude, the handbrake on that one, like it. I've never done this before. I've never done a handbrake before. I've always been like, I don't know how to do it. Like nothing works. This is so much better. Next one. Run, guys. And it's game over, dude. That was fun.
Yeah, that was good.
Good way to end it. What's the time? So, good night. This thing went so good. I don't even think, like, I have barely even used these tyres. 60 PSI, so much better. I did miss a beat. Ran like a Corolla should. Alright guys, we're pretty much going to pack up here and head home, so definitely let me know what you thought. I really hope that in the videos you can see beginning and like really struggling through to the end where you know, still spinning out and whatever, but had a heap more fun and driving I think improved. I'm really trying to get to the track more often, hopefully even at Archerfield, which is a little bit closer to home. It's a smaller track, so it'll probably suit this a bit better. I really want to, but yeah, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button, and see you in the next video. Cheers.